Hey, thank you so much for completing the entire Passionate Business Model course. And I hope that you are getting a clarity on how to build a business around your passion and how to build a profitable, scalable business that too around your passion. And moreover, the entire Passionate Business Model course is built on a proper values and core principles. Why? Because I always believe that a long-term goal with the proper values and core principles is more stable than a short-term goal with instant gratification. So don't run for the instant gratification and don't run for making quick money. And if it is working for you, means it is not going to work for a long-term game. So always think for a long-term game and always think for a long-term vision. Why? Because you must have to be in this market after 10, 15 or 20 years also. And it depends on your capacity and capability. And I always believe that all the students are taking the action and they are completing the 2 days challenge also. And if you completed the 2 days challenge, if you watch the entire Passionate Business Model course within 2 days, just type in a comment box yes, so that I will also get to know how many students are taking the action and completing the entire course within 2 days. And coming to the topic, that is a profitable niche clarity blueprint. There are 8 topics, that is the 8 field which I designed personally based on my own experience up to this point of time. Why I just created this 8 important field, that is a profitable field where you can launch your profitable course around this 8 field. Why I just created? Because there are 2 categories of people who are watching this video right now. The first category of people are those who are having an idea on a topic and who are taking the action to launch their business or launch their profitable course. Okay. And there are second categories of people who are just watching this video, this entire course like a blind person, because they don't know what is their passion, they don't know what they are good at. So for both the categories of people, if you guys watch this entire course within one shot, you are going to get the clarity. Yes, I believe that if you watch the entire course, you are going to get the clarity, you are going to get a more number of choices. And you may think like you are good at something, but after watching this entire course, after going through this entire course, you are going to get a kind of information, a kind of a plan on which topic and which micro niche you can build online course and you can make money. Okay, and what are those 8 important fields? The first important field is the business sector, second important field is the career sector, and the third important field is the health sector, and the fourth important field is the money sector, and the fifth important field is the technical skill sector, and the sixth important field is the relationship sector, and the seventh important field is the teaching sector, and the eighth, which is very much important, that is the self-development sector. And these are the 8 important field sector where you can make money by launching your online course. I hope that this entire video, there's an introduction video, gave you an clarity on what topic and as well as what are all the important fields which you can choose and which you can launch your profitable online course. Just type in a comment box what are the top 3 learnings, so that I will also get to know. And don't forget to comment, have you completed the 2 days challenge or not? Okay, and thank you so much for investing your precious time, and can't wait to meet you in the next video.